the video. Not this one. The video of the clinic.
Okay.
And, sí. Y uno ahí de esos azules. Oh, no, no, that is another one, at least $1,000 extra. It's funny because every contractor or every people that makes video on the post.
When you show people, most people listen to you or not? When most people listen or
So they just call
No.
back.
Do most people listen and want to know or they don't care?
They most of them listen because they love me to do it. That's why I got the chance because I explained to the customer.
Yeah, that's good, yeah.
The name of my company is Open Book Hardwood Floors.
Yes.
And I honor that name. Open Book Hardwood Floors means for me that I clearly explain to the customers what's going